TUI 787 Dreamliner pulled into the gate at G3, and the most funny thing is actually that there are 3 EasyJet planes waiting until he is in the gate, and then they can depart. But who is going to be first? Alright, 2 is into the gates. It's a rainy day, you can see it. I'm trying to find a good dry spot. Alright, 2 is into position. And the EasyJet in the back is rolling at the moment. Because right there we have the EasyJet pier, the MH pier. Alright, who's going to be next? Yes, this one in the middle right now is rolling as well. There we go. And then the other one will go. Yep, there we go. He is also now rolling the last of the 3. So 3 full passenger aircraft needed to wait for an empty one. It's kind of funny in my eyes. I think they could have better switched it up, because they were waiting also for a United aircraft departing. So they could just be behind that one, but yeah, not this time. Alright, and he's gone as well. Perfect. If you liked it, click the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.